How's it going, everyone? For this video I'm going to show you how to remove background from images. Now as you can see right here, I have an image with a cat and it has a white background. So let's say you want to remove this white background from the cat. So all you have to do is go to your browser. You can choose any browser you want and go to www.remove.bg. Just hit on enter. And now what this website does is it removes it removes background images 100% automatically, and it's free. So all you have to do is upload your image. Upload the image that you want to remove the background with. So in my case, it's right here. Then wait for it to process. And once it's done, just click on download right here. Just click on save. And there you have it. The white background of the cat is now removed. So as you can see the difference right here. So that's it for this video, everyone, and if you find it helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!